I am going to try and have another spa day, but this time in the Savoy.
Honey, 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 honey.
Morning, 1 year older. I had such a good night's sleep last night and I'm actually running a bit late. The time is 9:51 a.m. I've texted over to say we're going to catch up a bit later. I'm going to grab some brekkie downstairs. It finishes in like 9 minutes, so I'm going to make the most of that. And then we'll go. Another massive thank you to Aisha, honestly. Can't thank her enough for that. Right, let's go and check breakfast out. Hi, can I check out? Okay?
Yeah, what was the room number?
203.
Is everything okay with this time?
Everything's fine, thank you. Cheers, thanks. That's breakfast done. About 10 bowls of Frosties, croissants, toast, juice, tea, coffee. That was a good birthday breakfast. So now I'm heading to King's Cross to meet Toba. I rang him up, said it was going to be a bit late. He said he was doing something anyway. The plan for my birthday is like every other day. I don't have a plan. So I'm just going to go meet Toba and see where the day takes us. Right, I am at King's Cross, St Pancras. Where is Mr. Courage? Here he is. How was yesterday, mate?
Yesterday was interesting.
This is a late catch up today. How was your night's sleep yesterday?
You guys are gonna have to wait and see. You're gonna have to go on London Hacks and wait for it to come out.
There is no way you've had a better night's sleep than me last night.
You never know.
I think he's been up to something last night.
At this rate, you'll probably see it in 3 days from now.
Yeah, Toba might get the video out next year for you. He couldn't have had a better night's sleep than me last night.
You never know though.
My night involved a pillow, a quilt and a mattress.
Yeah?
I slept vertical for the first time.
Wow, lucky you, man.
Vertical? Do I mean horizontal?
Vertical, that was it. Did you
No.
see that?
Horizontal, I meant. Right, mate, what's your plan for today?
Just stuff.
So secretive, doesn't tell me anything. Do you want to know what my plan is? I haven't got one.
No?
I haven't got a clue. Actually, I have got a plan. I'm going to see Wahid at 8:30. But other from that, mate, I'm not doing anything.
Well, I might have a little surprise for you later on.
Really?
It's your birthday, innit? We'll show you how we celebrate in London.
Where am I meeting you? I want to know what this surprise is, mate.
Shoreditch?
Where's Shoreditch?
Shoreditch is an hour away from everywhere.
Mate, I'll get there. Where there's a will, there's a way. Mate, I want to see what you've got planned.
Bring your paintbrush. We're gonna paint the town red.
I'll see you at Shoreditch at 9:30. You just going to text me the address to meet you, yeah?
Let's just meet in Shoreditch, we'll go from there.
Okay,
Stay
sweet. Mate,
have a good one.
good luck, mate.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. I'll see you later, mate. Right, I've just left Toba, but honestly, this day is just like disappearing. What can I do on my birthday? That is the question. Obviously, I'm meeting Toba later, I'm volunteering just before, but what can I do for the next 6 hours? Well, first off, to be honest, the laundrette that I went to the other day that said no to me is literally just over there, and my clothes are really starting to stink, shall we say. I'm just gonna go in and ask him, can he wash some clothes again? I know he's already said no, but one advice, never take no for an answer. Oh, I don't think there's anybody here. Right, so I'm in the laundrette. There's a note on the door that says, back shortly, sorry for the inconvenience. The only thing is, it doesn't look like there's any loads to go in either. They're either all empty or they're all going. I'm gonna try somewhere else. Oh my God, there's another laundrette here. I missed this the other day. Let's try this one. Service wash times. Ah, we've missed it. Okay, so it's only manned up until 1 o'clock and it's past 1. That ain't happening. There was only a girl in there whose stuff was already in the washer as well, so it's not as if I could have asked her. So this one is the second one that I tried the other day that didn't work. Let's give this one a go. You couldn't do me a massive favour, could you? I just need to wash one t-shirt. Is there any chance you can like chuck a t-shirt in with another wash or something for me?
The moment I don't have anything.
Think-
If you bring in the morning, yes, maybe I can wash it something else.
I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. I'll pop back in the morning. Thanks very much for your help. Happy days. At least I'm going to get my clothes clean tomorrow. Then that should last me to the end of the challenge. The only problem is I'm going to stink for the rest of today. What can we do? It is my birthday. Right, I know what I want to do. Let me explain. So behind me is the Savoy Hotel. Literally, that's it in the background over there. There's no doubt in my mind that everybody watching this video knows what the Savoy is, right? But it's a 5-star hotel and it is like super luxury. We're literally talking, let me find out how much it is. So the cheapest room in the Savoy, if you want to stay there tonight, is 1,046, and that's only for a single person, single occupancy. You can't even fit 2 people in it. So that's what we're dealing with, a super luxury hotel. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if it was one of the best in the world. So my birthday present to myself is, I am gonna try and have another spa day, but this time in the Savoy. I am so confident as a person, but I think the chances are very slim. Not only is it a luxury hotel, but look how I'm dressed. Black joggers, battered bands, black t-shirt, a backward hat, but I can't take that off because my hair's a bit greasy, so I'm just gonna give it a go. Wish me luck. This is literally where all the A-listers stay. Look at the stay of that. Afternoon, how are you? You okay? Very well, thank you. Great. Look at the state of this place. Look at the bathroom. Oh my god. Even the toilets are posh. They've got splash guards. I've never seen them before in my life. Right, let's go and try and find this spa. I don't even know where to start here, and I don't really want to ask anyone and draw attention to myself. Excuse me, do you work here at all?
I do, yes.
Ah, okay, great. Where's the spa at all?
The spa is on the 3rd floor.
Third floor?
Yeah, yes,
Just
yes,
lift?
Just go up to the lift to the 3rd
it.
floor, yeah.
Perfect.
The signs there.
That's great. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you. This is mega posh. Like, this probably the poshest hotel I've been in. Right, 3rd floor. Come on. Where is it? There's cameras everywhere as well. Beauty and fitness. Could you advise me where the pool is, please?
Is that here?
Ah, okay, great.
Would you like to have a look or?
Yeah, I've arrived today, so I'm just exploring a bit, that's all.
Okay, so just to let you know, our pool is heated and has a jet stream.
Ah, okay, great. That's
As well as
brilliant.
the men's changing room, we have sauna and steam room.
Okay.
And we provide the locker so you can come here to change.
Okay, that's great. Is there dressing gowns here or are they in the rooms?
We have in the lockers inside,
You
so
have
you
in the
don't
locker.
have to worry about this.
Where is men's changing rooms at all?
The only thing, if you want to have a look, I'm going to ask you to be quiet this area, as we have treatments as well.
Ah, okay, no problem. Thank you.
The men's changing rooms is just right here on the left side.
Okay, great. I've got some work to do. I can work in there. Can I take a laptop in there and stuff?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, that's great. Thank you
Do
very
you
much.
need a locker?
A locker key would be brilliant. Thank you very much.
If this is your locker key,
That's great.
There is changing rooms the way back to the pool here.
That's brilliant. Thank you so much for all your help. Thank you very much. Oh my god, I think we've actually done this. This is ridiculous. Look at the state of this. So we've got wash, lotion, hand towels, mouthwash, spray, shaving foam, shave kit, shower cap, comb, pads, cotton buds. Oh my god, this is ridiculous. Over here we've got the sauna, steam room, showers, whatever that is. Now it's time to enjoy ourselves. We've even got slippers. Suits me. Right, let's go to the pool. Oh my god. So there's the gym through there, and this is the pool now. Right, let me show you the gym. You've got one part through there, and then this is the other part. It's a really, really, really nice place, this. It's small, but it's really nice. Jesus, look at this. 100 quid for a 45-minute personal training session. 145 quid for an hour. Jesus, he must produce some results. I'd want to be ripped for that. And then we've got like apples, towels, and then water and cold towels. Right, let's get in this changing room and freshen up. That was amazing. Let's just hope we can get out successfully now. Hi, cheers. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a nice evening. Thank you. Bye. So far, so good. Right, we are successfully out. Oh my god, that was a good birthday present, that. Honestly, that place was beautiful. And not only that, this shave's made me look about 12 again. Feels so fresh now. I'm gonna dive into this Starbucks, get some work done, because we're volunteering in like an hour and a half. So I'll get that out of the way now.
Well, good work.
Work finally done. Plan for tonight, meet Wahid and then fly up to Shoreditch to see Toba. It's going to be a bit of a trek up there. I'm interested to see what he's got planned as well, to be honest. Right, here we are.
Hello.
How are you, mate?
I'm good, you?
Yeah, good,
Happy
mate. Oh, thank you, mate. How are you keeping it, mate?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Have you remembered the ham and cheese this time?
Yeah, of course. Do you know what I've got today? I've got 3 big watermelons. That one, that one, that
fair
one.
dude.
You
So
grab
you
that
brought-
one. See if you want to attack it over there.
Wait till you see this now. Look at this.
You came and joined us, so we had to make you
Happy
feel welcome.
birthday, Simon Wilson, Inspire GB. Mate, thank you. Legend, mate, honestly. Thank you.
it. If you don't mind joining me in singing Happy Birthday to Simon.
Oh, no, don't.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Simon.
Mate.
Happy birthday to you. Hey, up the rallies!
For what you've done helping us, seriously, it is paying dividends and we really appreciate
No,
it.
mate, honestly, the
Yeah?
honour's all mine, mate.
No,
you
it's
do a
not.
great job here, like.
But people like you can make it easier for us to be better to help
Yeah.
these guys.
This is Anton. There's Wahid.
Every day.
Anton has just come down because he watches the video and just given some money to Wahid to pay for like loaves of bread and stuff. Every credit. Thanks very much for making an effort coming down, mate. Appreciate it. Mate, legend for that money. Appreciate that. Where am I staying tonight? Your guess is as good as mine. I'm meeting Toba in a minute and he's got something planned, but I ain't got a clue. The main man himself.
Happy birthday again.
Mate, thank
Yeah.
you.
I
This
hope
is
it's
the
a
last time you're
hope-
going to see me on this challenge. Next
Well,
time you see me, I won't be on a challenge and I'll bring a cake down.
You've already smashed it. You've touched so many lives. You don't even know.
Thanks very much, mate.
thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
No, you've been a star.
See you soon. Have a good one, mate. What an amazing night that was. And cake as well. Fair play to him. Fair play to Anton as well, coming down to give us 20 quid for more loaves and butter and stuff. Honestly, there's some good people out there. Toba's just actually texted and he's come down this way. So he's just said he's in Pret waiting. So I'm going to meet him in Pret now. How are you, mate? Mate, I've brought you something.
Oh, wow.
Birthday cake, mate. Enjoy.
Thank you so much, man.
Right, we've just left Pret. Nice surprise you're coming down, mate. Thought I would have this massive trek on my own.
No, we'll do it together, man.
100%. Feels weird being with someone on this challenge.
Yeah, maybe we should sneak in somewhere.
We're going to Shoreditch, right?
Yeah, get some free drinks, get into a club, have a great night. Paint the town red.
How do you plan on getting free drinks, by the way?
Research will get the free drinks.
Mate, this night's on you. I'm going to let you treat me tonight. Let's see how this night goes. We are in Shoreditch. This is Shoreditch, right?
Yes, my G.
We need to come up with a strategy, right? You sort the free drinks with the apps.
Yeah.
I'll do the chatting.
Yeah.
So this is your research then. This is how he's getting all the free stuff. If you get any more free stuff from now on, can you contact me and not him? Lovely to meet you anyway. Thank you. And don't give him any more free stuff. Right, apparently we can get a free drink in this club.
£10 to get in, yeah?
Is there any way we can get in for free? We've got a voucher
We've got a
here.
voucher in there for a free drink, so we just want to get the drink.
Yeah, we just speak. Okay, thank you, mate. We've got like a free drink on Drinky, but obviously there's an entrance fee, so we're just wondering if you can let us in so we can get a drink.
Well, I can let you in free, but drinks, I don't know, because it's the club's thing.
Yeah, mate, we're getting in. Thank you so much for your help. Thank you. Toba, what's going on here? Mate, where's my shot? It's my birthday. Thank you very much, thank you. So, first batter done, 2 drinks free each, Jaeger bomb and a vodka lemonade. We're going to try this second place now to get a free shot. Excuse me, is there an entry fee to here? How much?
£5.
£5. Is there any way of waiving that at all?
Depends.
It's my birthday.
First time in Shoreditch, shit.
My first time in Shoreditch.
Where are you from?
North Wales.
Fuck, I can't even say the name of this.
Rhoslanich. I should be able to get in just for saying that, right?
You got it.
Yes. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Appreciate that, mate. Thank you very much.
Mate. Take it.
Cheers. Have a good one. Free entry with the flyer. Thank you very much. Cheers. Thank you. Can't even sort me out with a birthday shot.
So are you ready?
Yeah. It is my birthday.
Come see me at the end of the bar and we'll talk about free shot.
Thank you very much, mate. Thank you. I think we've just bagged ourselves another drink at a third club. Free entry with a flyer. There you go. How cool is this place? So that's 3 clubs now. How's your night going, mate?
Sweet.
Our next destination is Bawley. Oh my god, is this a ball pit?
Yeah,
An
man.
actual ball pit? Mate,
Adult
that's
ball pit.
sick. What's the deal with coming in tonight?
We're closed
Oh,
now,
you are
yeah.
joking.
Come tomorrow.
Is it any way? Yeah, if there's anything you can do, guys, that'd be amazing. Thank you. Mate, fingers crossed to let us in for free.
We can go in the private ball pit for now.
You sure? Oh, awesome. Thanks very much. Appreciate your help, mate. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. There's even a swing. Toba! Apparently there's like a huge ball pit down here. Oh my god. Toba, look at this, mate. How sick is that? Oh, that's hard work. How sick was that? Cheers, mate, thank you. No, you're welcome. Appreciate it. Mate, that was mint. Right, we've just come out of the ball pit. Everybody's getting kicked out now. Kicked out over there. Literally everybody's getting kicked out. We need to find somewhere to sleep. So we are currently in King's Cross McDonald's. The time is 5:13 AM. Obviously we've not slept. We've walked all the way from Shoreditch here, so it definitely doesn't look like we're having any sleep tonight. Toba's editing for the first time this week. At this point I normally say good night and I'm gonna hit the deck, but I'm not hitting no deck tonight. Looks like we're gonna sit it out in Mackey's all night and then, I don't know, we're gonna have to try and sleep tomorrow or something.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm going to end it there. Thank you so much for all the comments and the support and the messages. It really means a lot. I'll be announcing the giveaway in the next couple of days. I'll see you tomorrow.